up you two champions, welcome to day 20 of 21 days challenge to get 95% in your second PUC board exam. So as part of today's challenge, you have to do two things. The first one is to revise the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions from Maths, and since we are almost completed with the physics syllabus, you have to revise the entire physics syllabus, okay, or whichever chapter you feel you need a bit of revision. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the most important questions from the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions. So if you have not downloaded the important questions PDF, the link is there in the description section. Click on the link, visit the page, download the most important questions PDF and practice these questions. These are super important questions as they are sourced from model question paper, PYQs, question bank, and so many other relevant resources. Okay, so let's understand the blueprint of this chapter. This chapter has a weightage of 6 marks, and we have one 3-marker question, one 2-marker question, and one 1-marker question. Okay, so before moving ahead, there is something very important. So we have KCT examination very close, and to crack this examination, test series is very important where you can practice and you can know your strength, weakness, you can understand the exam conditions and pressure. So to help you with this, I have launched the Fighter KCT 2026 test series designed by KCT experts and is based on KCT exam pattern and syllabus. Here you will get total 18 full-length mock tests, 6 each from physics, chemistry and maths. Apart from that, you will get detailed solutions, video solutions for chemistry, and the most important thing, the test analysis report. Now this will I can say you that these all things are available at a very affordable price of just rupees 399. Okay, so if you want to shape your preparation, do check the link in the description section and purchase this test series, as the prices may go higher later. Okay, so now let's move to our question. So first we'll talk about 2-marker question. Find the value of sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse into minus 1 by 2. Prove that sine inverse of 2x into root over of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x. And this is a most repeated question, very important. Similarly, prove that sine inverse of 2x into root over of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 cos inverse x. This is also most repeated question. Next, we have write tan inverse of root over of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x in its simplest form. Then write tan inverse of root over of 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. And then you have proved that 3 sine inverse is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube, which is your most repeated question. Again, prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, which is also a most repeated question. Now find the value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, next we will see 3-marker question. Write the function tan inverse root over of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x in its simplest form. Simplify tan inverse of 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. Next, prove that cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. This is most repeated question. Prove that cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to sin inverse of 56 by 65. This is again most repeated question. Next, write tan inverse whole into cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Okay. Now we'll see more question PYQs now. In March 2024 examination 1. So in the 2-marker section, the question was show that sine inverse of 2x into root over of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x. And this question was in the 3-marker section. Show that the relation R in the set of real numbers is defined as, okay, reflexive but not symmetric. Sorry, this question is not from this particular chapter. Okay, just erase this question. Now we'll move to March 20. Yeah, this is the question here. So that sine inverse of 2x into root over of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x. You can see the same question was repeated again in 2024 examination 2. Then if you see 2024 examination 3, write the simplest form of tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Then write the cot inverse into 1 minus 1 divided by root over of x square minus 1 in its simplest form. Prove that cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 equal to cos inverse by 33 by 65. This is in the 3-marker section. This was in the 2-marker section, and this is also 2-marker section. Now you can see 2023 annual examination. Find the value of sine whole into pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Now this is also a question, and in 2023 supplementary examination, write the simplest form of tan inverse root over of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Okay, now we'll see model question paper 2-marker and 3-marker. So the first question, this one is 2-marker. Find the value of tan inverse whole into 2 cos into 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Next, we have 3 marker question. Find the simplest form of tan inverse whole into 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Now, model question paper 2, we have 2 marker question. Prove that sine inverse into 2x into 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x. And in the 3 marker section, we have prove that cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse minus 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. You can see these two questions are okay, this was also a PYQ. Now, model question paper 3, evaluate cos inverse of into cos 7 pi by 6 and write tan inverse into cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x in its simplest form. So, this is in the 2 marker section and this is in the 3 marker section. Okay, so children, these are the most important questions from the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions. And as I told you, that test series is already live now. This is something which is very, very important for your preparation and to get a good rank. So check this test series link in the description section, Fighter KCT 2026, and this is affordable at just rupees 399. So please do check out, as the prices may go higher later. And we are on the second last, like I can say, just one day left for the completion of the challenge, and I hope all of you have worked really, really hard. Do let me know in the comment section how much your syllabus is done, how much is pending, and all the best. Keep learning because exam is very, very close. Thank you so much and see you soon in the next video.